Hi, this is Starla from Starla's Creative Teaching Tips. Great to see you again today. Hey, so, great morning. Here's what we're going to talk about today. Wings, bird wings, whew, you see them flying. Bats, wow, they got beautiful, beautiful wings. Big old wingspan on them, right? Hey, how about dolphins and whales, the flippers? What are they exactly? Are they really wings? Are they really flippers? Guess what they are? Yep, they're an arm. That's exactly right. They're modified arms. So let's review what we remember, okay? Remember we have a funny humerus. We have the elbow ulna. The radius rocks the thumb. We drive a car with our carpals. We have metacarpals right here. And then we have our cool phalanges. And we only have two in the thumbs. So let's look and see how your arm compares to other animals. All right, now remember we did Levi and Bear, and we talked about the horse? Well, let's look at the horse again. You ready? Take a look. I'll let you take a picture of this. This is pretty cool, huh? Yeah, okay, now watch this. Here is the horse. Take a look at him. See him right here? Okay, so here's our humerus, and there's their humerus. Now look, see this right here? It's up by their chest. There's the elbow. That's the ulna. Here is the radius, and they're fused. Now, look, here's ours. Two separate bones. Here's the carpals, the wrist. Now, you see how we have 5 separate metacarpals? And a horse fuses them all into one. And then here's our fingers. Look, they're walking on one finger. Isn't that cool? They walk on one finger, and they're fused because, remember, they run. They can't flip their hands over. You don't want that horse flipping their hands over. Elk, deer, all of them. They're running machines. Now, let's look at that flipper of a dolphin. How does it compare to us? Take a look at this. Do you see it? You see the turtle? Look at that. There's the humerus. There's all 4 humeruses in a row. Whoops. Here is the ulna and the radius. Here's the carpals, metacarpals, and their fingers. So a flipper is an arm. I know, has the same bones as you. That's awesome. They're just arranged differently because structure determines function. So they need to tweak the structure a little bit in order to function for them. An arm like ours would not do well in the water. So it's stretched out, okay? Now, see the turtle? I know turtles have arms. Did you think about that? Here we go. Humerus, ulna radius, carpals, metacarpals, and they've almost got all 5 fingers. Sometimes if they're on land, like a tortoise, they have claws at the end of them. Pretty cool, huh? All right? Okay, now let's look at those wings. Chicken wings, bat wings. Let's look at the bat wing. I think I'm fascinated by them. Here we go. Here's the humerus. Look how skinny the ulna and radius are. Carpals, short little metacarpals. Look at their fingers. How amazing is that? So today what I want you to do when we're done, Google bats flying, especially fruit bats, because they are huge. And you can see their fingers in that wing, whew, pushing down on that air. I just think they're amazing, okay? Now, let's do chicken wings, all right? All birds have the same type of structure, again, depending on size and species. But take a look. Here we go. Here's a chicken wing. Here's the humerus, ulna, and radius. Now, they can rotate a little bit more in order to push that air down to give them lift, okay? All right, now take a look. There are, here we go. Here's the carpals, metacarpals, and their little fingers. All right? Now, so we see that the birds, once again, even though we call them wings, they're really arms, all right? Now, all these animals, amphibians, reptiles, remember, amphibian means part water, part land, like frogs and salamanders, okay? Reptiles, okay, such as turtles, okay, and tortoises, all right, and alligators and crocodiles, those are arms, okay? Birds and mammals, all right? They have the same thing, same build as you. So they have the same bones, just structured different, so they're known as, right? They're called homologous structures. Look, I learned to spell backwards. Woo! All right, everybody's got to learn. Homologous. Homo in Latin means same. So it's just telling you that all of those animals, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, all of these animals have arms, even though we may call it a flipper or a wing. They're homologous structures. Cool, huh? Okay, let's go talk about the chicken real quick. So are y'all familiar with chicken wings? All right. So, like Buffalo Wild Wings, we can't call them Buffalo Wild Arms. Doesn't sound too appetizing, does it? Okay, so really that's all they are is arms. But just take a look. Oops, let's go back this way. Here we go. All right, now, when you get a piece of a wing and it only has one bone in it, you're eating the humerus. Okay, the muscles. So remember your biceps and your triceps? Yeah, you're eating that muscle over that humerus. Okay, so you're eating the upper arm. Okay, now if you get a piece of the wing that has two bones in it, you're getting the lower arm. That's right, the ulna and the radius, and it's got flexors and extensors on it. That's the muscles you're eating for those chicken wings. So remember a chicken wing, one bone, humerus, two bones, ulna, radius. All right, so now today you learned a neat little secret, another small pocket lesson to help you see a little bit more in your world that's before you, okay? And so you've learned now that wings and flippers are homologous structures. They're really just arms. All right, hope you had a great time. Have a great day. Be kind. We're going to start talking about acts of kindness, how we can make the world a positive place, even in the smallest of ways. All right, have a great day. See you next time. Love you guys.